This is After Effects Apprentice Lesson 11Comp02. When you open it up, we have this basic pedal shape. And the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to add a repeater. And we are going to ask it to make 5 copies. And we are going to offset it -2 for it to fit on there. And when we mess with the scale, then you see what that can do, the rotation, how it'll behave, the position. We're going to set the scale at 100, the position at 0, 0, and the rotation at 30. Now we're going to scrub the anchor point to see how it behaves in such a situation. So now we will set our anchor point at 0 and 100. We will increase our copies of the repeater up to 19. And I'm going to raise this up into frame. Now we're going to add wiggle transform. And we are going to set our position at 0 and 200 and our scale at 120. Close up the repeater so that we don't accidentally mess with that. And that's what's going to happen there. Now let's look at what happens if we drag the repeater above wiggle transform. We see that instead of as a group, it starts affecting it as individuals. So we will set up at the top. Let's mess around, one less thing to mess around with. We will set the correlation at 90%. Let's see what happens. It's much tighter. Let's take a look at 20%. Set it back at 50 and render something that looks like that.